Happy Thanksgiving.
This Thanksgiving weekend, also a time to reflect on mental health at a time when mental health issues are front and center.
The climate in the world right now is certainly making it a lot tougher on everyone.
While the pandemic has definitely taken a toll on mental health, some high-profile athletes are helping to shine a spotlight on it too.
I was just like shaking, could barely nap. I've just never felt like this going into a competition before.
American gymnast Simone Biles withdrew from a number of Olympic events this summer over mental health concerns, despite being a favorite to win gold. She was not the first to put her mental health ahead of her sport.
DeRozan.
Former Toronto Raptor Demar DeRozan talked about his own mental health struggles a few years ago.
It's bigger than basketball. Anything that's beneficial to preserving life and being happier, that's what it's all about.
Raptors head coach Nick Nurse says athletes like Biles and DeRozan are changing the conversation in high-level sport.
I would say that we've had a lot more communication, a lot more understanding. We've had to tried to keep the word empathy at the top of our priority list of just how are you, how's your family, how you feeling.
Experts say outside the sports world there's a trickle-down effect.
Athletes, particularly well-known athletes, Olympians, they are leaders in our society. And when they step forward to talk about their mental health, it allows many of us to not just talk about ours, but also be aware of ours.
And it's fueling a conversation about better access to mental health care for everyone.
Whether that's insurance coverage for psychological service, or even perhaps an eventual movement to have psychological services covered under our Medicare healthcare plan.
The conversation on this World Mental Health Day is not just about asking for help, but finding it. Greg Ross, CBC News, Toronto.